Good morning from a rather damp Dorset. First client of the day, funny enough, has just ridden all the way from Surrey with his lovely Bonneville T120 Black. This is going to get one of our full Monty valets with a good coating of winter protection, making sure to keep all those spokes and spoke nipples rust free. She's not too bad a shape. Got the matte finish, which I'm not too keen on, but we're going to check. He did say that the dealer had put some ceramic on it from new, so we'll see what sort of water repellent it's got. If it doesn't look like it's got much, I will put a nice coating of the Ultimax ceramic on it. But like I said, more than anything, get some XCP clear coat protection. You can see a few nuts already get a little bit of rust, so we'll get all this old grit stuff cleaned off of it, degrease all that sprocket, all those spokes, and then we'll get it all blow dried and give it a good fresh coating of the XCP clear coat, so it's properly protected for the winter ahead. We'll get all this motor covered, all the spokes, banjo bolts, caliper bolts, etc. Anything I think might corrode, we'll get a good old coating. Let's get cracking. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Triumph Bonneville T120 Black has been fully trotted and ready for the winter. It wasn't too bad a shape, to be honest. Just gave it a good old degreasing, decontaminated. I put some ceramic on all the exhaust, those lovely black exhausts. I gave them a good coating of ceramic. Luckily, the bodywork was all good. So whoever did the ceramic previously did a really good job. It was repelling the water as it should do. So I've XCP'd all the motor, all your suspension linkages, all the shocks, all the chrome bits have all had a nice brushing of XCP, as well as all the back of the swing arm, anything that I think might corrode, all the spoke nipples. I did put some ceramic on those rims, lovely gloss rims, making sure to keep that gloss like that. So yeah, all done, 2 hours on the dot, ready for the winter ahead. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week, satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.